Hey, I'm Rachel Town, Senior Director with Lemongrass Spa, and I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on how to correctly use our dry shampoo. I've had some people not be familiar with the poof system. A lot of people use the aerosol dry shampoos and that's what they're comfortable with, but the problem with using aerosol is the chemicals in aerosol are not awesome to be breathing in. So if you can use the air-propelled Lemongrass Spa dry shampoo, that would be awesome. So it has been now 4 days since I've washed, and I do use Lemongrass Spa normal shampoo, and I use the deep conditioning with the shea butter, just because, as you can tell, I've got some seriously thick textured hair. So I like to take my dry shampoo and I cover up the nozzle. Now it looks like there is a push top, but it is not for pushing. But I do like to hold it and cover up the nozzle, give it a shake between every single poof, and then kind of pull up my hair where it might be a little bit oily and give it a couple, see, it just comes out really, really fine. And you can use your fingers or you can use a brush to distribute it, to comb it through. Again, cover up the nozzle, give it a shake. Because there is tangerine oil in there, see how light it is? It can get a little clumpy if you don't shake it. So give it a shake. One thing a lot of people like to do is to use this every day because it adds a lot of texture. Now, obviously, this hair don't need any texture. I mean, I got a lot going on here, but a lot of people do. They like to distribute it throughout their hair. So notice how fine and thin it should be coming out. See my fairy hair in there? You guys seen any fair hair? See the sparkle? Ooh, that one's getting old. Look how long it is. It's like super regrowth. So there we go. I have used my dry shampoo. I'm ready to go for the day. Since my hair has this extra volume that could be tamed down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and use our hydrating body mist, and it's a hydrating body spritz. And I give it a little shake, spritz it around the tips, and then this just kind of adds a little extra hydration, smoothness. Now notice the difference in my hair. It just smooths down the frizz, makes it look a little extra shiny on the tips, and I'll do the same on this. So notice the difference. It just kind of makes it look a little more polished, and I'll do the same, just spritz it through. No chemicals, all natural, good for your hair. Got some aloe in there, got some hydration oils in there. Does not leave it greasy. And it doubles as a perfume too, so bang for your buck. There you go. All right, quick and easy hairstyle for the day. Dry shampoo and body spritz, easy peasy. All right, talk to you soon.